Well, we're up here on the Cascade Road that goes up into the North Cascades National Park, and I think one of these hills, I don't know which one, is called Mount Boston. But anyway, I just wanted to take a few shots here. If you get up over the pass here, you can go drop down into Lake Chelan on the other side. It's pretty spectacular from this parking lot at the end of the road, although the sun's going to be too bright to show the good mountain. Anyway, Lois and I got up here at noon on October 8th, and we're going to take a hike up to the pass. Just wanted to take a few shots of the area here at the bottom. Well, this is from about a half an hour up the trail. Just want to give you an idea of what we can see at some of these switchbacks and what it looks like in the forest, etc. We finally got up to a clearing, so I'll take a few shots here. Getting quite a bit of altitude since we got up here, so that's kind of what the surroundings look like from this opening. A little more footage of another viewpoint here. See if I can figure out to zoom in or zoom out. Guess they're already zoomed out. Won't know how this turns out till we get back home. Some really gorgeous views up here. Yeah, we came another 15 minutes up, and hopefully the exposure of this will adjust. There we go. Now we got a heck of a view of the valley. We don't know what the name of any of these mountains are, but we definitely climbed up above that snowfield there where the parking lot was. Takes a while for the camera to adjust exposure from all the different light variations. We keep hoping to see some mountain goats, but so far no luck. We finally got up to the pass here, and that's looking back the way we came, and time for lunch. This is looking sort of northeast, and we'll stop in here to enjoy the view. I don't know if you can hear my voice or not, but sun right in the peak. Pretty awesome mountain views here. We walked another 10 or 15 minutes up the trail here from our lunch spot at the pass, and just getting a little more of the view in the camera here. The trail splits, and the lower trail goes down towards Lake Chelan for about 7 miles or so apparently. This is looking back down to where the pass is and where you can sit for lunch there. Well, we keep going up and up and up, and we're trying to find a little doubtful lake. Instead, all we do is keep going up. But I thought we'd take a break here and take a few more feet of this majestic alpine peaks here. The view just keeps getting better as you go up. Well, she's got a lead on me now. Guess I better hump it or I'll lose her. Lois is way ahead of me now. Keeps stopping to take some more footage. And I do believe we're looking up here at Mount Boston. At least that's what I'm calling it. Over this next little rise, see what's on the other side. Well, Lois finally stopped, thank God. I thought maybe she was going to go climb the mountain or something. Anyway, can't even get her to wave. I have to get over there where she is, see what the view looks like there. Looks like she's got an awesome position to look down the valley. Okay, we finally made it up here. Dang near had a heart attack, but got a great view of the valley that heads on down towards Lake Chelan on the eastern side of the ridge here. A little bit of firefighting smoke. Apparently they've got some fires going on down there. Really spectacular mountains. Waterfalls, glaciers, snowfields, and Lake Doubtful. Looks like it's pristine. Still haven't seen any mountain goats though, unfortunately. That would be like frosting on the cake, I guess. Well, we took about a half hour to get back down here, and the sun is going down behind the mountains finally. and take a break, and we'll have to hump it down to the car. Getting a little bit of the autumn colors coming out too, and so it's really pretty beautiful this time of year. Well, we're back down and we're still alive. I guess we started about 12:15 on our way up and got back down here at 5:50. And of course the sun's going down now, so it's getting dark in the valley. No idea how many hours we actually walked. What was it, about a 4-hour walk, Lois?
We walked 4 hours and 13 minutes.
4 hours and 13 minutes of actual walking, huh? And then we stopped, of course, for rests and food and everything else.
And it was 10.8 miles.
Yeah, 10.8 miles round trip to where you can see Doubtful Lake. Back down, give or take, but approximately 10.8 miles. So that's quite a hike. Anyway, gotta edit all this together, and I guess that's it.